Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make informed choices on the best products out there. Today, we're going to take a close look at one of the most exciting kitchen tools you can add to your coffee making arsenal, the ODIFORGOO Rechargeable Milk Frother. If you're searching for the best coffee whisking tool, look no further. This handy device not only froths milk to perfection, but it's also versatile enough to tackle a variety of other mixing tasks. So, let's dive right into what makes this frother a game changer for coffee lovers and anyone who enjoys whipped drinks. First off, the ODIFORGOO frother boasts a sleek, modern design that fits comfortably in your hand. The elegant silver finish gives it a professional look that will enhance any kitchen setting. But don't let its attractive appearance fool you. This frother is all about performance. Now, let's talk functionality. The ODIFORGOO frother features a rechargeable battery, which means no more worrying about purchasing and replacing batteries constantly. A full charge allows you to whisk to your heart's content without interruption, and you'll find its power impressive. With 3 different stainless steel whisk attachments included, customizing your frothing experience is super easy. The attachments can be swapped out depending on what you're making, whether that's frothy milk for your morning coffee or even eggs for a delicious omelet. Another standout feature is its portability. Thanks to its compact size, this frother is perfect for travel. Whether you're camping, staying in a hotel, or just going to work, you can easily pack it and create your favorite drinks wherever you go. To sum it all up, if you're looking for the best coffee whisking tool to elevate your beverage experiences, the ODIFORGOO Rechargeable Milk Frother is indeed an excellent choice. It allows you to whip up frothy drinks with ease, saves you time, and brings a professional touch to your home coffee making routine. With its impressive performance, versatile attachments, and thoughtful design, it's clear why this frother is highly rated and loved by many. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your coffee experience. Make sure to check out the link in the description below for more details. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, happy whisking!